Hello, I'm Nick Lodato. This session introduces a new series, Creating Accessible Documents in Word. What I want to do today is really explain very briefly why we're interested in Microsoft Word and accessibility, to go over a couple standard sort of common accessibility issues with Word, and to give you an idea of what episodes will follow in this series. So why Word? Word is pretty much ubiquitous in education and in business. It's the de facto standard in terms of creating documents. And perhaps more importantly, it's the go-to way to create a PDF. And PDF, Adobe's print format, is the standard way to distribute and share documents. And also, just a little bit of knowledge of Word can really help you produce documents that are much more accessible, and again, to create PDFs that are more accessible. And as a side note, I actually believe you can create better structured documents as a result, documents that work better for everyone, not just people with accessibility issues. The kind of things that we see in Word documents that create problems of accessibility are, the biggest is probably unclear organization. And that translates to unclear navigation because the features in Word allow the document to be navigated by a person who may have to use an assistive device. Lists are a big area, bulleted or numbered lists that are often not formatted properly. Tables is a huge area of issues and problems. Images, for people who are not sighted, they cannot understand the content of the image, so one needs to describe the image in a way that they can grasp what your point is. Contrast is another issue. The distinguishing shades and colors that allow a person to distinguish between two different values, like foreground, text, and background. The links and the way links are formed, and the way fonts are chosen and displayed. So these are the things that we really want to cover. So our topics will deal with headings in Word, lists, styles. Basically, you'll learn through this series how to be better at using Word and how to create documents that are not just accessible, but really that convey information better. That's our goal. That's our purpose. Please follow along. If you are creating a document and you're publishing it, then you are responsible for making that document accessible. That's all. Hope you enjoyed the series. Thank you.